Hi everyone, welcome back. Just a quick video today. Today we're going to be planting out the brassicas. So I've got Brussel sprouts, cauliflower and cabbages to go out in the brassica cage. I did a video where we built this brassica cage and these are all desperate to go out now, so it's about time we planted them out. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'll just lift this up and we're going to plant these all in here. So I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do this yet, but I'll do some sort of rows. So the Brussel sprouts at the back, cauliflowers, cabbage, in order of height, because the sun sort of comes from that sort of way. So I think that should work well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the Brussel sprouts along here, and I've only got 5 of these at the moment. So I'm going to do 3 along the back and then 2 in between, kind of like zigzag to make the most of the space. There's a few little weeds and stuff in here, but not too bothered. I'm going to plant about a foot apart. So I've got a bit of bamboo here, which is about a foot, and I'm going to go in probably about 8 inches in, hoping that that's going to be far enough away from the edge of the net. So we'll do the first one here. So I'll just dig a hole for it. And then we'll just take the plant out of its pot and pop it in. I'll show you these roots. So there's some lovely roots on that one. So they're desperate to go out now. So I'm going to take the yellow seed leaves off the bottom and I'm going to plant up a little bit deeper just to hold it a bit more secure in its hole. And just put it in and cover it over and gently firm down the soil around it. Okay, so I'll bring you in a bit closer and we'll do another one. Okay, so we can put the second one in now, and I'm going to do it about a foot from that one because the Brussel sprouts get quite big, so need to give them the space, and we can interplant in between. If we wanted to, you can put like cabbages in between, or lettuce, or even the onions in between, just to make the most of the room. So we get the next one out. The lovely roots there. So these have been grown in here. These are about a month or so, maybe a bit more than that actually, probably almost 2 months old. So I'll just remove the bottom ones, the bottom leaves, and I'll plant it slightly deeper, just to give it a bit of support, because they do tend to go a bit floppy, brassicas. And you just cover it up and gently firm it down. Okay, so that's all there is to it. So I'll get the rest of these done and I'll do a time lapse and get back to you afterwards and we'll do something else. Okay guys, so I finished planting the brassicas out now. So I did end up moving the cauliflower slightly further apart and putting in another row because I found a few extras that I had outside. So anyway, we've got 10 cauliflowers, 5 Brussels sprouts along the back there, and 6 cabbages, 5 cabbages that we put along the side there. And I've also got these 2 here. One is a cauliflower and the other one is a cabbage. and I'm keeping these in pots just to see the difference. So far, obviously, because they've been in the bigger pots, they've grown a lot more than these ones because they've been stuck in the little pots. But anyway, so that's the Brassicas out. So I'll keep you updated on them. Hopefully the slugs and stuff don't munch them straight away. And I've got to repair the net because the cat went through the top of it. So I'll get that done before the cabbage whites come out. Haven't seen any yet, so it should be all right at the moment. So anyway, guys, we'll find something else to do in a second. Okay, everyone. So we got the Brassicas out today. We were going to do some other bits today. I was thinking about maybe planting my onions and that out, but it's just started to rain and there's some really heavy thundery showers around today. This weather's just been crazy. Everything's about a month behind, I think, so hopefully the Brassicas will be okay. I've got to fix this net because the cat fell through the top of it the other day and she's also made a couple of holes in there. So we'll have to get that fixed before the cabbage white butterflies come out and eat everything. As I said, hopefully the slugs won't touch them. I haven't seen too many slugs yet. I suppose that's one bonus of the weather being a bit colder. But anyway, guys, so we're going to call it a day now. So if you enjoyed today's video, if you could subscribe to my channel, that'd be really helpful. And if you could leave a like and a thumbs up on the video, that's also really helpful. And feel free to comment. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. So I hope you all have a great weekend, what's left of it, and a great week. I'll see you again soon.